Sun-based open flower windowsill. Flowers, chirping flowers all along the start of a new week. Sunday, today's flower, bringing joy to the day. Monday, today's flower, celebrating the start of a new week. Tuesday, today's flower, making the day feel special. Wednesday, today's flower, bringing new hope to the heart. Thursday, today's flower, creating peaceful moments. Friday, today's flower, wrapping the heart in anticipation. Saturday, today's flower, enjoying the calm of the day. Sunday, today's flower, bringing joy for another week. Flowers changing with each day, making every day special, and joy from the heart. Mm-hmm.